Hey, what's up guys? I'm Marianne Elise and welcome back to my channel. So as you can tell by the title, we'll be reviewing Supernova hair, and this is a very popular company, so I have my expectations up for them, okay? This is a package that it came in. It was shipped via FedEx. It took like 3 to 4 days, and their social medias are on the back. When you open the box, you get your hair and a few goodies. So the goodies included 3 headbands and a wig cap, you know, per usual. And it also came with like an edge thingy, my bobber, and this bag. So yeah. So this is the straight 22-inch 200 density wig. And y'all, okay, this is how it came. But y'all, this hair, I know I always say hair feels soft, but this hair right here, it felt super soft. It felt super good. Like, it felt like really good quality, and it was super long for it to be 22 inches. So yeah, and look at these ends. It just looks like good quality hair, and that's super hard to come by, okay? Based on this right here, I definitely feel like it was worth the price. So the inside of the cap, this is a headband wig, so it has 3 clips on the front and 2 clips on the bottom. What makes this wig so easy is that you don't have to worry about any lace. It is straight wig with an elastic band. So you don't have to bleach any knots. You don't have to worry about plucking. It's just throw on and go. And I'm going to show y'all, okay? I'm going to show y'all. And it's also really big and friendly for any size head, just because it's not really supposed to sit on your entire head. So boom. Now I'm going to show y'all how to easily put this on. Y'all don't mind my hair. I took some braids out earlier, so I'm washing it soon, but you know, I wanted to show y'all. So I just put all my hair back into a ponytail, and I have a lot of hair. So I didn't even have to braid my hair under this wig because that's how much room you have to work with. Once you put it on, you just take the bands and strap them. It's like Velcro, so you should be fine. And then after that, you're just gonna slide it back. We are only 2 minutes in this video and the wig is already basically complete. But I know these edges, we gotta do something to them. But I just wanted y'all to see how easy that was to put this wig on. So if you're in a rush, you don't even have to slide the band back. You can just put it on how you want to and just go. But I'm gonna do these edges, and I'm also gonna show y'all what this wig is basically doing, just in case you don't know what a headband wig is for, or the purpose of it. So basically, I'm taking one of my random pink headbands that I found, and I'm placing it on top of the band to show y'all what the wig is supposed to be doing. So you know, you put on headbands, this is the wig. The wig is your headband now, so you don't even have to find one, but you can if you want. Now I'm taking my Style Factor gel and my edge comb, and we're gonna do these edges. Once again, I have to wash my hair, so if the gel starts to look white or, you know, dusty, that's my hair, that's not the gel. I use this gel all the time, and it's the only one that works for me. But now I'm just brushing all my edges down, and then I just come in with my Style Factor gel. Boom. I know I look a mess. I'm sorry. I know. It's gonna come together, I promise. Y'all saw the thumbnail, that's why you clicked on it. So once I apply the gel to all of the areas needed, I'm going in. Oh, get your ear. Get that little piece of hair by your ear. It does something, okay? Okay. Brush that down. Put some gel on there. Yes, girl. Yes. So I'm taking the brush, and now it's time to swoop the loop, okay? If you don't know what swoop the loop means, look at the video. So I just take it and I just swirl it, brush down and turn, brush down and turn. Boom. Simple, so easy. And I take the comb on the other end and I just clean up my lines to make it a little neater, you know. I'm doing the same exact thing to this little piece in the middle of my head. I'm just swooping it, swooping the loop in. I also dragged down another piece because I didn't like that space. So I did 3 swoops on each side and then of course the ear part. Once again, I have to wash my hair. So if you see a white cast, that's coming from, you know, my hair being dirty. I'm sorry. I'm washing it today. Alright, so I have another method. If you don't know how to swoop the loop, what you can do to make it easier is just make one big swoop with all of your edges, baby hairs, whatever you leaving out. And you're just gonna take your comb and separate those pieces into, you know, swoops. And now your edges are somewhat done. Yay! So y'all, this look 5 minutes. We are 5 minutes in this video and the hair is complete. Look how long this is. Once again, the length on this hair is only 22 inches and it's super long. And I noticed that with their videos when people reviewed it, I was like, this hair looks longer than 24, but I don't know. If y'all want hair true to length, this is the hair for you, okay? Because some companies really be playing about the length. Y'all thought I was done? Nope. We're gonna try on all 3 of these headbands that they sent. Okay, the first one is black and white. And look how easy it is. You just put it over and bring it up. Okay, you're struggling. Bring it up and boom. Look, simple. Super simple. And they give you headbands when you buy the wig. So you don't even have to purchase your own. You can switch up the look. And this was so cute. So cute. Adorable. Next was this beautiful blue headband, and y'all, it looks so cute against my blue background. Have y'all noticed the background change? Oh my goodness, I know, right? It's so cute. Make sure you subscribe, you know, so you can stay tuned for all of the different background color changes that y'all are about to see. But look at this, so cute, so different from the first headband, so you get a variety. I'll also be showing you different styles that you can do with this hair, so stay tuned for that to the end. And lastly, we have the lovely cheetah print. Yes, cheetah. So, same thing. You just put it on over your band, pop it on, and you're done. Just like that. Just like that. Rawr. And this one's so cute, y'all. I had to. So, now I'm going to show y'all some additional hairstyles that you can do with this lovely wig. Yes, it's a headband. Yes, it doesn't have lace, but you can still do so much. So the first style I'm doing is this everyday half up, half down. Literally, take some hair, put it in a ponytail at the top, and you have a new style. A super new style. Like, what? Hairstyle number 2, you can just take the hair and put it all up in a ponytail. Yes, you can do that. The headband is so thick that it will cover up like your hair. So you can put it in a high ponytail. You can put it in a high bun. You can put it in 2 high buns, 2 high ponytails, and you're set. You're set, okay? It looks so natural. So I feel like that's another reason why it's so beginner friendly. Because it's so natural looking. You can also like use your leave out. If you want to have your hair in the front, have 2 pieces hanging down, you can do that. You can do so much. But lastly, all I'm going to show you is like bring it into the side. You can flip it. Make it look like a side part when it's not a part at all, you know? So simple, so easy. And of course, the OG, just bringing it all to the side. But that's all I have for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye, guys.